model, 2008 Ford Transit 24 TDCI 115 T350 Rwd cherry picker needs pump repair. No Vat. Body, white, cherry picker. Mileage, 151615. Engine, 2401 cc TDCI 115 PS DURATORQ-G. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs great. Cherry picker not working. There is power to the control box in the cab, but we have put power to the PTO pump, but the pump itself is knackered and will need replacing for cherry picker to work. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it.